guys, today I'm going to show you the Redmagic first gaming pad, and this one is a very big size tablet product. It's a 12.2 inch 2.5 display screen, and this also supports one 10,000 big batteries with 80 watt fast charging. So the thickness of this tablet is just 6.5 mm. It's very thin products from the old tablet, and this time they also provide a mechanic connection keyboard with touch panel. And for this tablet, it's have a 16 megapixel front camera here, and it's have a rear camera 13 megapixels. So this is very nice for the camera as well. And it used the Snapdragon processor. We can check the information here about tablet. So here's more information. Generation 1 processor, 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM. And also the sound quality is also nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 stereo speakers supported. And also pre-installed a lot of gaming applications, Game Center, and for this Redmagic BBS, Redmagic Shop, you can get gaming applications from this shop. And next I'm going to show you the keyboard. So here is a keyboard. It's for a separate keyboard design. This one is for the pen, the Redmagic pen, and this one is for the keyboard and touch panel. Also mechanic connection, easy to connect. Yes, here, easy to connect it. Also here, easy to connect, mechanic connection. And also here, you can use it as a standard. This is very useful as well. Here, keyboard, so this is very convenient. For this screen, is support 144 Hz refresh rate, 2.5K display resolution, and it support LPDDR5X and UFS 3.1, and in the big battery and fast charging, 25 minutes to get 50% fully charged. And also it have a SIM card slot. Yes, here 5G connection, and also can work as a studio to be a game platform. It's very nice. Take a close look at the keyboard. Yes, touch panel. And for games, it can support normal average 60 minutes for 6 minutes. Stable FPS. Around 60 FPS within 6 minutes. Yeah, so this is a simple introduction about this gamepad from Redmagic, and this is also their first gaming tablet products, though they already have the gaming phones and gaming related personal computer rehearsals. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching my simple video about this tablet. Thanks. Okay, thanks for this angle. Yes, thanks. Bye bye.